What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed videos in Substack. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Substack or you can type in substack.com. In both the cases, you will be welcome to the homepage of Substack. Now from here, if you are new to Substack, you will see the option of signing up on the right side at the top. Just simply sign up with your email and password. But if you already have an account on Substack, just log in with the account, or you will see the option of the dashboard. Click on this. Now, to embed video in the Substack post, you can see the option of new post. Click here and click on text post. Yes, guys, text post. And from here, add your title like a demo video, let's say, and after that, add a subtitle, and after that, here, add the video link. So remember, everyone, the link must be from a legitimate page so that it supports it and it seamlessly opens the link without any without any disturbance in the link opening or else something. So for example, I'll just copy a link. So as you can see, I have copied this link, and from here, after that, click on continue. And after that, you can select your audience, like you want everyone or just paid subscribers only, and to allow comments for everyone or no one. And you can even add your tags. You can edit it from here, that whatever you have added, if you want to upload more, you can click on edit and upload more. And you can choose the delivery to just send via email in the Substack, or you want to schedule the delivery. And after that, when you are done, on the right side, you will see the option of send to everyone now. Click on that. And after that, as you can see, it will say to add a subscribe button to your post. If you want to add the subscribe button, you can add, or if you don't want to add, click on publish without buttons and your post will be added. So this is how you can embed videos in Substack. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.